About I best go at the camp.
Yes.
No transfer, no leave.
Now we know with them.
Who's that man?
Asalase. Oh yeah,
we are fighting to liberate our land.
Yes.
Second shall be great again. Normally. I be no be so.
Now we know with them.
Ezi onye nwe anyị na Chineke nna nke pụrụ m ihe niile Chukwu okike abịa ma bụ onye anyị na-efe na-agọzi aha nsọ ya onye ọ bụ naanị ya na-achị onye mmụọ na mmadụ na-erubere isi onye ọ bụ naanị ya bụ ọka aka ụbọchị ene ka anyị na-etu gị eze ebube dị ngọzi mmalite na ọgwụgwụ ndị gboo wee tụọ gị ebighị ebi onye nwe m ụmụ gị wee gbakọọ n'ụwa niile iwe nara ozi ọma nke gị onwe gị n'ezi ha site n'ọnụ mmadụ dị ndụ na nke ebere dị ngọzi anyị wee na-asị na onweghị ihe ọbụla nke anyị onwe anyị bụ n'ihi na ọ bụ anụkpa ahụ sọsọ ka mmadụ dị ndụ bụ ofu ụbọchị anyị ga-anwụ maka na okwu nsọ gị na-adịrị ma ruo mgbe ebighị ebi n'ihi na okwu gị niile ga-abịarịrị na mmezu ọ bịa nwere Biafra ga-eji wee bịa na mgbe nke anyị wee na-akpọkụ gị wee na-arịọ gị na-asị lekwa ude nke anyị na-asụ n'akwa nke anyị na-ebe ka o metụta gị n'obi onye nwe m na Chineke nna nke igwe biko dịka isi wee napụta ụmụ gị n'ọbụ n'Ijipt gotu wee wezuga ụmụ gị bụ ndị Biafra mgbe ekwensu bụ zuu nke mmadụ dị ndụ kara anyị wee na-aja gị mma na-asị gị n'ime ọnọdụ anyị na-anyị ga-ekele ha nsọ gị wee nye gị nsọpụrụ n'ụtụ na ịja mma mgbe niile n'ihi na anyị enweghị chi ọzọ ebezuga gị anyị onwe anyị anaghị efe arụsị ọbịa mere iji wee na-agọzi nsọmụkwụ anyị niile ọbịa mere IPOB ji wee gbaa mgbọrọgwụ n'ụwa niile anyị anaghị atụ egwu mmadụ dị ndụ anyị wee na-eto gị eze ebube dị ngọzi sị gị biko gbatara anyị ọsọ enyemaka ọ bụ naanị gị bụ onye anyị refe nwanyị akpụ isi ala nye ka i wee napụta ndị gị n'ọbụ nke ekwensu anyị wee na-enye gị ofe na nsọpụrụ na ịja mma na-asị lekwa ka ndị iro anyị niile ka kasị wee baa ha ọnụ ha wee daa hapụghị ekoni ọzọ obodo ekwensu bụ zu ala ọkwa n'ihi eze ebube dị ngọzi anya ọnwa anyị bụ ụmụ gị wee na-akpọkọ ha nsọ gị na-asị na emeghị chi ọzọ egwezuga gị anyị wee na-aja gị mma wee na-eto gị na-asị onye kere ihe niile kere mana nwere onye kere na n'otuto niile na nsọpụrụ niile na ịja mma niile site n'ebighị mara onye ka a na-arịọ gị ise.
Good evening and welcome to this very program, please. My name again still remains Onyebuchinwa Ashibrobi, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. And I have come today bringing to you nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke ana-akọ mmiri, eziokwu nke Olisa bi n'igwe. And it is pertinent unto you for you to identify this very truth which I have brought on this very platform. So on this very platform this evening, I have brought to you what is happening. That's na ha bụ ndị iseke and watch ya ha niile ha bucha egbe. All of them have gone. And what do you people use gun to do, right? You use gun to kill people. Is that not what you use gun for? You use gun to kill people. What is gun for? Killing people. And you can hear them shouting men mount, and they have taken over the camp. And when you hear them, they are not speaking Fulani language. They are speaking Igbo. Is that not what they are speaking? They are speaking full-time Igbo. Ọkwa maka echi. Nji wee na-egbu ụmụnne unu. Nji wee na-egbu ụmụnne unu. These shameless people mount to look for the BLA, going after BLA, irrespective of the fact that Ali Igbo have been overwhelmed by Fulanis. Fulani kill people. Few family was wasted in Enugu State few days ago. But ndị Igbo be anyị ibu egbe, they are mandated only to buru egbe chụwa ụmụnne ha. And you want me to praise them, right? A day will come, a day of reckoning. That's just it. A day of reckoning will come. When that day comes, you should know that these very people are part and parcel of those killing their own kings and their loved ones. Look at it. Freedom. Maka all the idiots that will carry that such propaganda. Chineke kpọgọ in advance. Olisi in advance. And those of you who have carried it ab initio, no matter where you, whether anyone push you to carry it, ask them push to call them criminals and to call them caste snatchers and to call them this and names. You cannot use character assassination to intimidate this very struggle. This very struggle is built on the foundation of sincerity, on the foundation of being truthful. We are truthful before God Almighty. And that is the reason why anybody that have come to stop this very struggle have always kicked a brick wall, because we are dedicated unto what we do. That is the foundation of freedom. Pursue the freedom, irregardless of whose earth is God. We do not care and we do not send. We consistently pursue this very freedom. Now, these are Umu Igbo. There is a video of Fulani terrorists torturing the Igbo people. You can never see anybody telling you, oh, BLA Kpai havoc in the Biafra land, to post that video, which Fulani published by themselves. An Igbo guy was being tortured inside that video. I dare whosoever telling you, BLA Kpai havoc, I dare them to post such video. They cannot post it, because their masters, their paymasters will come against them. They can never post it, not even in this world. I dare them to post it. These are men of shameful lifestyle. Men and women that are not so ye before God and before man. Men and women who are not worthy to be among the people of Elohim. Those are the people you see carrying propaganda against the children of light. But be it as it may, we have crossed the Rubicon, point of no return. We have come a very long way in this very struggle. And we are not going to capitulate. We are not going to surrender. It is forward ever, backward never. It is either the Biafra is being given to us, or all of us perish. One of the two. And I want those of you whom they are deceiving to acknowledge this, that the Biafra people have come a very long way. We are in this very agitation for the survival of our race. Ọkwa maka atụọrọ ọmana ya amana atụọrọ ofeke ya fe isi n'ọhịa. There are too many ofeke in our land. Na eburu ofeke, especially nke ofeke gbori, na a na-enwe ofeke. Mana ofeke ọbụla crossoro that boundary, a na-eti ofeke gbori. There is no coming back for that particular ofeke. I'm just letting you people to know. The reason why we must continue what we are doing is because it's for the survival of our race. It doesn't matter how many people that have collected money to betray their papa. It doesn't matter. It is only time shall tell. Only time shall tell. Manu mbosi nta ibia chuo no were nchi. Agbakata avụ ha afa kama agba ere ebe afa. You like talk rubbish for all you care. It does not concern Nwashiburobi. There is nothing that you do that concerns Nwashiburobi. The only thing that concerns me here is, am I preaching the truth? That's the only thing. Am I preaching for the survival of my race? That's the only thing. Am I preaching that gospel truth of Elohim? That's the only thing that concerns me here. Ọ bụrụkwa ma nke ọzọ a na-akọ, ndị be anyị na-asị hapụ ndị asịrị ha asịba, ọ bụ ihe anyị na-emere onwe anyị, onye ọma nke m hey nna acha ewere m egwu a nnọọ chabie ya, achabie m dị egwu, acha m dị so egwu riri, hey akpata oyi na-awụzi ndị gụrụ egwu a. I am Nwashiburobi, please, preaching nothing but the undiluted. Nothing but the undiluted truth. I guess that those of you are hearing me loud and clear. Those of you at the back seat, hope you people are hearing me loud and clear. The only thing that have brought us here is freedom. Ọkwa maka mgbe ọ ya eseti mgbe our own people ya ebido na send the message, because whether you like it or not, there must be a day of reckoning, and that day will come. That day will come, a day of reckoning, the day of our own people to say and to equally oppose those who have carried propaganda against them for a very long time. That day is coming. It doesn't make any difference. But a day of reckoning is coming. A day that people will look at people's face and tell them, you carried propaganda for a very long time. Now, Abachana Soka Gomai. People that you carry propaganda. You know that Nigeria is not worth dying for. You know that Nigeria is not there for the common man. But you carry propaganda against these very people. You jubilate on the buying of innocent people. And you know it. That day is coming. I don't want to say much. That day is coming. As many as the people that will shout, oh, look at Umunneha. I want to remind you that this Nda na-asụ Igbo, and they were part and parcel of those who burning people's houses, buying people. And nobody is carrying propaganda. Nobody is speaking up. When we speak up now, they will come out with their own propaganda. Oh, ndabu ndị Igbo na isi na ị na-achọ Biafra, now you are buying the Igbos. Write it down. After, I guess after this very program, they will know. Onye ọbụla DOS deceived na nke ikpeteme azụ a, onye abara one chance. Because even the DOS are begging the Nigerian government to help them. All these things, amam eboshi. The people aiding and abetting all these things are DOS. Even the DOS are not safe and they are not secured. Anything can happen anytime. I'm letting you to know. Our own people are no longer smiling. Anything can happen at any given time. If they like, they should answer the useless name that they want to answer for all they care. Does it shift Nwashiburobi? Does it do me anything? It doesn't even warrant anything to me. My own is to come here and preach the truth to you. What you do or what you make out of the truth that I preach to you is then up to you. I'm not preaching to entice you. I'm not preaching so that you begin to clap for Nwashiburobi. I'm not preaching so that you begin to clap for me. But I'm telling you what we are calling onomatose. 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 Hey, that is what I am telling you people. In case of the man have onomatose meaning, ajokwanam the meaning, amam the meaning. But on him write it down. There must be a day of reckoning. In a boom madana nebuga. No, oh, no, no, the camp. I could remember when the Nigerian military was killing the Masop, they were Bulgarian. But then they never knew that what is more than Masop is coming. Then they run to social media to cry, oh, oh, they are, but they use the Igbos. I continue to say it. The person that got gun to kill me was an Igbo man when I was captured during Masop time. The person that got gun to kill me was an Igbo man. I continue to say it. Igbos in the Nigerian military don't want to get pity for. If you see any Igbo man in Nigerian military, the only prayer that you can pray for that person is Yaje Nkoma. That's the only prayer. Yaje Nkoma. Because after all, did you plead that the person should join the Nigerian military? So why must you be praying for the person to survive from Boko Haram? you give the person the blessed prayer of gankomalism. Ihe ọbụla onye kwetere, ọ ya nwa na-eso ya. The person kwetere na ya bụ Nigerian military. Were you in any way complicit when the person told you that he wants to join the Nigerian military? Were you in any way there? Were you in support of the person joining the Nigerian military? So why must you, that they did not tell, they did not let you know, why must you bear the brunt? Anybody that onye Igbo ọbụla nọ na Nigerian military, nhụ ka ibere onye akwa anya akpọ gị. Let it be known, no crying for onye Igbo in Nigerian military, because they are the most wicked, wicked, the most wicked type of species. Ile ha anya ebe a now. There was a time a na-run propaganda. Oh, the BLA jikwa egbu ndị Igbo in Nigerian military. But on ndị Igbo, before 2015, 2017, on ndị Igbo, ndị na-egbu gị na-asụ Igbo. Ndị na-egbu gị na-asụ Igbo. Those people cocking gun to kill innocent Biafra agitators na-asụ Igbo. They blackmailed those of you. Those of you lily liver, they say, oh, it is very bad thing, oh, it is a very bad thing. I am not supporting violence, please. I'm not supporting violence, but I support self-defense. Listen to me. I am not supporting violence, but I support self-defense of the people. When you are being killed, what do? You defend yourself. Is that not true? Even United Nations law support you to defend yourself against oppressive and suppressive regime, against anybody trying to buy you. The UN law and UN charter permits you to, whichever means you can, defend yourself. It is never a sin. Am I speaking right, please? I don't know if I am getting the law. If I'm not getting the law, please correct me. I hope that there is one of their pampas wearing. Nke na-abịa na my platform ebe akwa all the time. Oh, illiterate. Illiterate, am I speaking right, please? Ọ dị ka ọ na aha ya Regina, am I speaking right? There must be a time. Ọ bụrụ na ụmụnne gị eso na ndị na-esend ka ha gagbuo ụmụnne mmadụ. Shame unto you. Because whether you like it or not, write it down. Ị hụrụ ndị niile unu na-esend na-emeke video. Oge ya eru oge ọsọ ya apụ ha n'ọkpa. Maka Chineke kere mụ na gị. Oge ya eru oge ọsọ ya apụ ha n'ọkpa. And ọsọ nke ikpete maazụ abụkwa ha na-agba shoe na-akụta ha n'azụ isi. Because that madness that they are looking for, ihe a na-achọ na Sokoto nọ under Sokoto, we will give it to them. Ọ bụ mgbe o bidoro, mbido say, hey, the card of, oh, ndị Igbo be anyị ka unu na-eme ihe a, na ha bụ ndị Igbo. Ọ bụ mgbe o bidoro. Ị mara onye bụ nwanne gị ugbu a na-ese video. There is an old man that I am seeing making video all the time. Na-akpọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu iyi ma nke sị na ya ọ bụ chief. They should carry on, please. But a day of reckoning is coming. And it's approaching very soon. Ihe nji wee like Chukwu Okike abịa ma bụ that day of reckoning is coming and it is approaching very soon. Karma is a bitch. He who kills by the gun will die by the gun. That's the only thing. I keep on thanking Almighty Chukwu Okike abịa. If you decide to unalive people's children by gun, my brother, by that sound of gun you will die. Not by my making, but by the making of the nonsense that you people have created. Ọ bụghị create nonsense, gị gbala gị ọsọ. I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburobi, please. Preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. I am Onyebuchi Nwashigburobi. preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke a na-akọ mmiri. That's the only thing that I'm here to preach. Those who blackmailed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Mazi Simon Ekpa then support these monsters that are chasing everywhere, killing our people, kidnapping our people. It is now obvious to the international community that the reason why they blackmailed Mazi Simon Ekpa, they blackmailed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is because the criminals in DOS wants to hand over this very struggle to Nigerian government. They were planted in order to wreak havoc. Before they show you any house or office that they are opening, ask them, what have they been doing? 5 years, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na-anọghị onwebe onye hụrụ ha. They were telling you before, oh, our leader is inside prison. Now that they are blackmailing that leader, ask them how far. So you people, we are using Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to delay people and then to carry propaganda against him after 5 years and tell you that na ọ na-achụ nwaanyị o ji ego IPOB achụ nwaanyị. Unu nwa na-eji ego IPOB achụ nwaanyị. Since 5 years ọ na-anọghị, how far? Ụmụ oluku. And it is obvious, according to the program I did today, Ọkpọntụ n'uru agụ na-agwa ndị Nigerian government na, are you allowing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to create another Mazi Simon Ekpa that will destroy Nigeria? Oshinonu ya pụta. Are you allowing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to create another Simon Ekpa that will destroy Nigeria? Ọkwa maka ụmụ efulefu ndị DOS ndị karịa ha na-agwụna. Any day, don't worry, time shall come. Time shall come. Ka nri jugodu nke bụ afọ. Maka onye rijuo afọ ya mara ka o si alụ ọgụ nke. But ọgụ a na ọ ka na-ebido ebido. I'm letting you people to know. If people are deceiving you, if people are telling you, oh, go out and buy BLA, go out and buy Biafrans, and I this chapter, tell them that now there was a time Nigerian government feeling the Biafra chapter during Masop. Tell them what later happened. During Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they felt that Hasachina chapter. Ask them what really happened. Mazi Simon Ekpa came. Tell them that one day, and that day is not going to be far, that revolution will start again. That gorilla dancing will start again. It's not going to be far because I am seeing. What I am seeing. Oshikwari kwa maka ndị ụmụnne ha na anyị na-agba BLA. Anyị na ebe anyị zoro ebe a. Time shall come. Okay, thunder ya fire gị. Lay ya down. Ọ bụrụ na nwanne gị nọ maka ndị na-akarị propaganda, mgbe oge ruru oge a, you will answer innocent person. Chineke kpọọ gị ọkụ, kpọọ your generation, kpọọ ihe niile gbasara gị ọkụ. Innocent person, ị ya bịa answer innocent person ka ahụ gị. I'm letting you people to know. Ọ gbasara gị, ọ gbasara gị, nothing concerns me. But the only thing that concerns me here is to tell you this very truth, which I'm telling you. Anything you make out of this truth is up to you. Ọ gbasara m. Anything that you make up to this very truth, it's up to you. But let me tell you people, I continue quoting Bible to you people. The Bible said, you know the truth, and eziokwu yeme ka isi n'oru wee pụta. Eziokwu yeme ka isi n'oru wee pụta. Are you people not willing to escape from oru? Unu chọrọ ịkarị menu n'oru. Eziokwu a na-agwa unu on this very platform yeme ka unu si n'oru wee pụta. Nigeria is not paying and can never pay. Anybody that you hear or anybody that you see telling you, oh, Biafra, but he seen onye ya may something for Biafra or cover his story, that person was Nigerian government agent. Although kwam keji Biafra scam, you cannot scam me. If you like, shout Biafra from thy kingdom come. You can scam. If you don't have taproot, in the land of Biafra, you are not going to go anywhere. Even the international community will ask you, Kedi hime putegoro na the land of Biafra for them to come. I na adwaka n'ọnụ before I na akpọ police. Ụmụnne. I na adwaka n'ọnụ before akpọwa police. onye ọbụla before you say mmadụ bịa gbuo ọgụ a ya enwe n'ọgụ. Ọ bụrụ na ọgụ adịghị ka mmadụ ya esi abịa egbuo what is not in existence. Ọ mmadụ na-akụ gị ihe na-ayọ mmadụ ka egbuo. Onye ahụ ị na-akpọ ya sị onye na-akụ gị ihe nna hapụ na onye a na hapụ onye ịma na ị karịrị ya. Ma ị hapụrụ onye a ma ị hapụ ya it's up to you. Mana ọ bụrụ na unu na-aja ama ọkpọ ịpịa onye ahụ pakọt ya pịa gị pakọt gị hụ ndị mmadụ ha gbara ọsọ bịa he unu egbu n'onwe unu unu egbu n'onwe unu hapụ n'onwe unu ka ihe na-ese ọya ka ihe na-ese. That's the truth. You people know that what I'm saying here is the truth. Ka ya hapụ na ị na-akọtọsị ihu like you don't know that what I am saying is the truth. In case you are helping the Islamic State of Nigeria, if you look at the military code of Nigeria, it goes beyond the Islam. And that code is the flag of Usman Dan Fodio, the man who wants to conquer that Islamic nation called Nigeria. That's the code. And that's the banner that they want me, Nwashigburobi, to bow to. Mmadụ na-agafe nonsense. A na-agwa unu na agafego m be careful. Ọ bụghị ma iji ego ma ijighị ego, agafego m be careful, and we will support whosoever that will pull hell in that contraction called Nigeria. I'm not supporting violence, but anybody that will save the people, anybody that will rescue the people from the Islamic financing government. Just the news, another news, 700 terrorists. They call them repentant. All of you know what repentant is all about. If you are not being captured, in Okata say, oh, you are into criminality, you are into buying people. I am surrendering. Please, I don't want to buy people again. It is called repentance. But when you are being captured, buying people, they capture you. And then, all of a sudden, some criminals who are collecting money from Iran, from China, and from these very corrupt people say, oh, you know what? Tell them that they are repentant. Don't buy them. Release them for them to go back. The terrorists you see today, there is one terrorist that boasted that he have been caught almost 20 times. That nothing, they will do him nothing. Almost 20 times. He said it. He was even bragging to those that caught him. Because those ones, mumu, they don't make video. So, oh, we catch him, this and that. Immediately you make video and post it on Facebook. They know that their savior is coming. You can no longer buy them. If you buy them, they come after you. After all, the vigilantes in Enugu State that caught a Fulani that kidnapped people, taking them to bush, they fire them and buy them. Those ones are on the run because they are looking for them. They said, why did they kill innocent clients? The client of Nigeria, why do they kill them? But those ones are the ones maybe to go after their brother. And they are having merriment. Oh, I in a camp. With camp. When the wrath of God will fall upon your people. Just write it down. I will know that Almighty God is not in heaven. Maybe Organa vacation. But that's blaspheming. But in the Christendom, I don't think blaspheming, they allow their God to fight for them. I am Nwashigburobi, please. I am preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Mbosi ntabiacho no werenchi. Ndibai ogwukwana ka oham n'ọnụ. Onye mara asụ ya asụọ n'ikwe, onye ama asụ ya asụọ n'ala. Those of them na-emeke video na ha na-eme nke a na-eme nke ọzọ. Time shall come. Mgbe ọbụla ibewere akwa na, oh, innocent, I will remind you this day that I made a such video. So video this day. Since ụbụrụ unu na-anaghị arụ ọrụ. Since ọ bụ nnọọ na ụbụrụ unu nnọọ na-ata mpara with the mechanism nọ n'ụbụrụ unu. Continue. mana mbọsị nta ya abịa achụ na owere nchi ọgwụkwana ka ọha m n'ọnụ from me from here from the temple of the great sea onye o mere amara na nke ikpete mazụ a it is good evening please